From idea to service, everything under one roof. That's the Kress philosophy. As a dynamic, flexible family enterprise, we can respond more quickly and effectively than others to changes on the market. From the first vision to prototype and production, we only have to travel a few meters. We manufacture around 70% of all components, for example motors or gear components, ourselves. We develop innovative, high-quality electric tools geared to the application. That's why we control all processes and materials steadily, from the first components to the complete product. More than 300 employees in Biesingen and Switzerland combine knowledge and creativity. We supply our products in more than 60 countries worldwide. We offer our customers complete service, from the development to the tool, at both our locations in Biesingen and Wattwil. Starting with purchasing, we pay attention to high quality and fast availability. Together with our customer service and our development departments, our products and complete components are optimized permanently. Service that really helps, that's our job. We offer information about our products in different languages, in a clear layout, from the internet right down to the sales presentation of our products. Our specialists offer regular training courses and seminars, worldwide, practical and in all areas of application. Using our info car, products can be presented and shown in action. Our products are available in more than 60 countries and are exhibited worldwide at many trade fairs. Our customer service helps fast and uncomplicated. All spare parts are permanently available and can be ordered at any time. Every part is held in stock for at least 10 years. From the catalogue to the product presentation, we offer our customers and partners an extended marketing package. Orientated to the user and the area of application, Kress Professional Tools offer optimal solutions at all times. We at Kress are continuously optimizing our products and always apply the latest technologies and innovative production processes. Technical features such as the keyless saw blade change, the mains cable module with patented quick action lock, or a powerful motor make your work easier. Innovative rechargeable battery technology, the Quicks Quick Action Clamping System, or our rechargeable battery belt cable are developments professionals appreciate. Also with regard to design and ergonomics, we always set new standards. The 900 MPS, the powerful tool for rough sanding, fine sanding and polishing. The cordless caulking gun is extremely versatile for grouting, gluing and sealing. Drilling, hammering, chiseling. Easy and fast with the quick system. Working in places which are difficult to access or working overhead is no problem, thanks to the Quicks Quick Action Chuck Changing System and Angle Drilling Head. Innovative, focused on quality and application oriented. That's how we think tools. Already in 1928, Christian Kress establishes the company in Tübingen. The first product was the C-car transformer. In the 50s, a company focuses on the construction of electric motors. At the current location in Biesingen, a second production hall enters operation under the management of Willy Kress in 1960. The first drill is developed. In the 70s, Kress launches a complete electric power tools family. C-car, a development and production plant of the Kress Group located in Watteville, Switzerland, is established. In the 90s, the age of globalization starts. With Dieter C. Kress, the third generation enters the company. The production shops are expanded. Numerous electric power tools are developed. The company celebrates its 75th jubilee. Kress, designed for power.